Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and we are outside the classic car depot as usual. Mr. Major.
Hello.
Right. Okay, so what have you got for us today, matey?
All right, so I'm going to give you two good tips of cars you should buy. So we have one here from the 80s and we have one behind you from the 90s. But we'll go with this one first.
What are we dealing with here, matey?
An Alfa GTV, a very famous journalist called Clarkson. It's his favourite car of all time.
Big fat old bloke, yeah?
Classic styling.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
The thing with this one, which makes a big difference between any other GTV, is this was originally a 2.5 V6. It is no more a 2.5 V6.
Oh, hang about. Is this something that Alfa Romeo never did?
No. They didn't have the engine at that time.
Okay.
So the biggest they had was a 2.5 at that time. But an Alfa enthusiast did what I wanted to do. He changed the engine.
All right.
Oh,
it's that gorgeous one, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's a 3 litre V6.
So this engine never officially came in this car?
You got about 200 brake horsepower in this engine.
Oh, nice, yeah.
Which is up by probably, I think the other one was like 140, 150.
Right.
But it's got a good sound and it runs really well. Strong engine. Okay,
so it makes a big difference then from the standard though, yeah?
Yeah.
What was it? I mean, what kind of horsepower do we get from the standard 2.5?
Probably like 140, 150.
Okay, wow.
So 50 horsepower more. It doesn't sound much in this day and age, but it's a big difference.
Yeah.
And this one is in a great condition.
Right. I mean, is there any big issues putting that lump in this car? I mean...
oh, you can see it fits.
I mean, I can see, yeah, it gets in there, but
it's not like you have to.
There are no issues with like
you don't have to shoehorn it in. It fits in.
All right. Is that kind of like? Have you seen that before?
Not in this one. I've seen them fit in other cars, but not the GTV.
I mean, is it a sort of like an update that people do with their Alfa?
I guess so. In the Alfa world, it's a different car to drive. Totally different. Really fun to drive. This one's a really good example. I mean, the paint works good. Everything on this car, even the plastic details.
I mean, that's always been the issues with Alfas, like growing up with these cars in England, is the rust issues with them, yeah?
It's got that 80s style, like, you know, Recaro style seats.
Right.
This is the iconic part of the GTV where you have the mesh.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
The mesh.
Yeah. And these really nice sort of sports seats that come with that velour. It was all velour back in them days, wasn't it? Nice, a nice looking car.
Yeah, it's a good car. And I mean, with the engine swap, it's a totally different car to drive. It's a much more torquey engine.
Do you think that swap actually puts money on the car rather than taking it away?
Not for the purists. The purists, everybody wants it, you know, 100% original.
Right.
But I mean, it looks $1 million, and if you want to drive it and have fun, it's a totally different car to drive. I mean, we can start it, listen to the engine. Got a good rumble. So
yeah, I mean, I've always liked these cars back in the day. You know, when you were a kid and you saw them in England, you always liked them, didn't you? And they had like the Alfa Suds as well, which were a little bit more sort of
a bit shorter as well.
Yeah,
but I mean, this is a classic, ultimate classic design.
Always a better looking car.
So I mean, way ahead of your Escorts and your Opel stuff back in the day.
So we are in the we're in the Alfa now with that 3 litre engine. So Sean's going to just take us down the road for a little spin. You'll probably be able to hear the engine note and everything else from inside the car. It makes quite a bit of a racket, doesn't it?
It's got a good sound.
So yeah. That's not bad, is it?
Far off your Ferrari, mate.
No, I'm quite impressed with that. It's a nice little racket it makes there as well. Nice pull. You know, if we go back in the day, nothing in its class was pulling like this, wasn't it, with that engine?
No, it's a whole different car to drive.
Yeah. Right, you trust the brakes on this car, don't you?
Smells like disc brakes.
Alright.
It feels alright on the road as well. It's not pulling, it's not floppy.
Yeah.
They've got like direct steering.
Okay. There's no power steering there then, no? Alright.
So it feels sort of planted.
Right. It feels like it's been lowered as well. It feels like it's a bit lower to the ground than I would expect it to be. I don't know if you know anything about that.
Maybe. It's got a bit wider wheels on it. But a good raspy noise.
Yeah. It's a nice engine then.
So we did the 80s.
Yeah.
I think most people agree,
Yep.
one of the classic ones.
Definitely.
And now we're looking at the 90s, the ultimate fun car. Ta-da! Lotus Elan. Built around 94, 95, composite body, no rust, everything's plastic.
The Lotus way.
Yeah, lightweight, probably you're looking at like 750, 800 kilos. This is a lot different to the Elise. This is more comfortable.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more like a proper car compared to like the Elise. The Elise is just always lightweight, but this one was, you know, built for comfort.
Still a track car though.
Yeah, kind of. I would say more like, I would say it's more like a sort of sports car GT style. To drive in, it's a lot tighter, a lot more comfortable.
Where's the engine in these? It's still mid-engine, huh?
No,
It's
it's in the front. But it's built with a Isuzu motor. It's a 1600 turbo, which is, at that time, I think Isuzu owned Lotus. That's why they took.
Right.
And then also after that, it was Proton that owned Lotus.
Oh wow. Yeah, I've got to say, this is the first time I've ever seen under the hood of a
Elan.
Yeah.
There's only 30 of them left in Sweden.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow.
So pretty easy to work on. You got, you know, everything is in place.
I guess that's still a lightweight engine they stick in there, though, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's a pretty reliable engine. The only thing which you had to do on this one is change the generator, and that's like right under the body, under the engine, which wasn't the easiest thing to do. But
yeah, and I guess because of the way it's situated, you're not going to get any overheating problems like you would with the Elises and.
No. Compared to Elise or something, I mean, you've got a reasonably sized boot in this as well.
All right. Oh yeah, God.
You know, it's pretty substantial boot space.
Yeah.
And I mean, you look at the seat and the dashboard, it's so much different. It's built for comfort.
How would you say the car's balanced though?
It's Lotus.
Right.
You know, it's low down, nimble, go-kart feeling.
Even though the engine's in the front?
The only downside is I would rather not have a turbo engine.
All right.
And
is there a bit of turbo lag on it then, or?
No, not really, but you know, it's turbo's up around 4,000 all the time.
Okay, so it's noisy.
So up to 4,000, it's not so quick.
All right.
But then it all lights up and off you go.
Right, let's get it out of the rain, yeah? Right, so now
the windows up.
Yeah, definitely. Electric windows. Right, so I'm not sure how well you're going to hear us now, but we're in the Lotus Elan now. So we're taking you back to the 90s now.
Back to the 90s, mate.
Nice civilized gearbox on this one, huh?
Well, what's wrong with the Alfa?
I mean, yeah, it was all right, but I mean, that thing, what it did, just rev the life out of it, didn't it?
Oh, this is, I mean, this is like a different car.
Yeah. It's more civilized, isn't it?
No, this is like luxury.
Yeah.
That's why I think it's more like, I don't really know if it's really like, I don't know, I get like that. I get a different vibe on this car.
Yeah.
It's a different feeling.
I feel like I feel like I'm gonna be alive in this one for some reason. I don't know.
You do?
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna live another day.
It can be changed. It can be changed.
Yeah, well, you don't need to. That's all I'm saying. And let's be real, this car's up for sale, yeah. So we don't want it wrapped around a tree at any point soon.
I haven't crashed a car since a Fiat Panda in 1986.
986?
Yeah, that wasn't my fault, it was my mate pulled the handbrake.
All right. Pulled the handbrake?
Yeah, we're going down a country lane.
All right. Oh, that's fun. Where's the handbrake? All right.
Well, this is very civilised, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I like it. It's like if you wanted to buy like a Mazda or like.
Oh, this is a much more fun than a Mazda MX-5.
Yeah. It's kind of in them realms though, isn't it? It's that kind of feeling, isn't it? Nice kind of open top business. You know, enough power to sort of pull you along nicely. But you ain't going crazy, are you?
I mean, what are we doing? What are we doing? Let's see, we're at 5,000 revs.
Yeah.
And what are we in? 4?
How many gears is there? 5?
We're on 5 now.
Right.
We need to get down to 3rd. See the turbo?
Right.
The turbo's coming in and we're at 5,000 revs.
Right.
Turbo's coming in at 5. Starts lifting.
Oh.
Now we're on bumpers.
It's a case of hold on to your hats.
So I mean, everything is very linear.
Yeah.
It's going. Now we're up onto boost. We're onto full boost. I mean,
You still got your mic on, yeah? All right.
and
What?
and you've got that.
Oh.
You got that.
Why would you do that?
I'm just displaying. You got that Lotus.
All right. You're
feeling.
begging for this to end up in a ditch, mate. I'm telling you.
No.
All right.
Lotus feeling.
Yeah. Good handling, good tyres. I'm guessing, hoping, fingers crossed. But yeah, a lot. Yeah, there's a lot. Lots. I mean, I'm surprised actually. Oh, I thought we were going to go the slower way. Oh, I know.
Huh? We could go slower.
Good Lotus, good Lotus.
Now you're taking it easy because I'm just.
No, it's a fun little car, isn't it? For somebody.
I like it a lot. It's comfortable,
Yeah.
but it's not like setting your life on fire.
No. So I mean, driving the car though, I mean, how does it feel?
It's a Lotus.
Yeah.
It's got all the things you want from a Lotus: lightweight, go-kart feeling, turbo landing in around 3,000 to 4,000, and it's fires off.
What sort of brake horsepower are we talking with this thing?
Ooh, I think they were like perhaps 140, 160.
Right. But as you said again, it's
Maybe.
lightweight.
I have to double check. I'm not 100%. Right. But the thing is, it's Lotus. You know, it's built to lightweight. So
exactly.
It's
the Lotus formula, isn't it? You know, I mean, they did mess around with like the 6 cylinders towards the end of the.
Yeah, they did that with like Esprit V6s and stuff like that.
Even the Elises, the tail end of the Elises and the Exiges and that, yeah. But yeah, it's the Chapman formula. And this one looks pretty in good shape as well, doesn't it?
It's all right. I mean, it's, you know, it's done 10,000 mile, 100,000 kilometres. It's got some, you know, stone chips and some scuffs on the bonnet, on the bumpers.
Right.
But I mean, if anybody buys it, I would just repaint the bumper back and front and back, and then it looks, you know.
And it all depends what they want to do with the car as well, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, there's 30 of them. I drove it yesterday. I was like, I had kids running after me.
Really?
Oh, cool car! And like people just randomly stopping and asking me, what's this? I've never seen one.
I mean, this is the thing about Lotus, isn't it? They're when it comes to car design, they're way ahead of their time, aren't they?
I mean,
they always have been.
This is 95. If you look at the same era, you had the MX-5.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It was about in the same ballpark.
Yeah.
And you got the old classic pop-up lights.
Lovely.
And it even had its own computer game.
All right. Was it the one where you change lanes like this? Yeah.
Kind of. So it was a really iconic car.
Yeah.
Back in England in this day, it was like this. If you wanted a car in this 90s in England, it was either one of these or a TVR or a Griffith.
Right. And they were a bit pricey, weren't they?
Yeah, but they were like V8s and stuff like that. But this was like the car that, you know, in the 90s, if you wanted something different to a Porsche, this was a much cooler than a...
Definitely. And listen, you know, I'm like you. Back in the day, I was a Lotus guy. You know, Lotus Siege, you say Elise, Lotus Elise, and that came shortly after this, didn't it? So.
Yeah, I mean, first Elise came 96.
Yeah.
97.
So it was like the next project for Lotus after this Elan.
They were going to, this is called Elan Turbo, M1, M100, and then they had the project M200, but that never came. I think the car that kind of replaced this, obviously was the Elise, but this is more like, let me think now, Evora.
That came way after the Elise.
Yeah, but it was like, Evora is more like this one because it's a little bit more comfort.
Right.
Where the Elise is stripped down basic.
Yeah.
This is like really luxurious to drive, comfortable and easy to get in and out of.
Yeah.
Not like the Elise where you have to climb in one leg in and
that was part of the joy, wasn't it?
Exactly.
I mean, even to this day, if I didn't have an Elise, I wouldn't have an electric sort of garage door because the pain of getting in and out to open the garage door was so much that I bought an electric one.
Too messy.